What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Reminder. Today we'll be looking at the Eskimo solar powered battery IP camera system. This is the model A3S. It has wireless IP camera with a solar panel, a built-in 6000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, 10 meter IR night vision distance, two-way clear audio, and 130 degree wide viewing angle. Let's get right into this box. It's a nice box, kind of velvety. Alright, so when we first open it, we get this congratulations card. It has 3 different gifts we can choose from. This is the user manual for the camera, and this is the quick start guide, but we're gonna skip that. Alright, so let's take the solar panel out of here. We got the camera. If I don't want to use the solar panel, we have a rechargeable cord. And then we have all kinds of different hooks for the camera. This one is for your solar panel. Alright. So I went ahead and got everything set up. This is the solar power stand. I used the cross tip to tighten that. It gives you some screws and even that little hex bit in there to adjust all of these. So there's 2 different stands for the camera. I got this one that screws in and unscrews. You screw it in right there to mount it to the wall. And then you got this magnetic one that goes right here. Cool part about this one is there's actually sticky pads. There's 2 of them. You put them on the back of this and you stick it wherever you want. To get this set up, I'm gonna put this back on the stand. To get this set up, it tells you how to do it right here, but real quick, this is how you get your solar panel set up. And there's a cool little feature I'd like to show you before we move on too far. And it's this piece right here. This is a waterproof piece for this camera. You take this piece off, which is where you put your memory chip, where you charge it. That's the power button, and that's the reset little button right there, in there. You just plug this in right here, and then you push that, and now you're waterproof. We're gonna take that out because we're not using the solar panel right now. Let's get this camera set up. I'll meet y'all back when I'm getting closer to the steps. So I went ahead and created my little account here, but the app you'll have to download to use the camera is called Cloud Edge. You can scan this QR code and it'll pull it up right for you. So going through all this, you'll allow the notifications and everything. You'll want to sign up. You'll go through all the steps, and now you're caught up to me. We'll have to push add device, battery camera,
device power button to start the device,
and it'll walk you through the steps. It said to hold the power button, so we'll take this piece off the camera, hold this button for 5 seconds until this light comes on, and push next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds.
To do this,
For the indicator light to flash red.
To do this, you'll go in this little baggie, take this pin out, go to the back of the camera, and right above the power button, you'll hold this little button in here until that noise goes off. And then it's reset. You push next, allow, push through too many times. So let's see here. It says please connect to Wi-Fi. I'll meet you right back when I'm connected. Alright, I've entered in my information. Let's get right into this.
Please remove the protective film from your camera lens.
There's going to be a protective.
Your QR code, then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.
So we'll do that. After you hear that noise,
Connecting.
you should be okay. Now we're connecting. Okay, now that we're connected, we'll push done. And it looks like we are completely connected. So we'll point the camera off of me. push play and see what happens. Ooh. All right, here we are. That's the camera setting. This is real life time. There's an intercom. Hello? Oh, push add. Hello? Camera, talk to me. All right, so you can record. You can screenshot. And it has the motion detection right here. We're gonna go, clearly you can see it's in the daylight, but I'm gonna show you the night vision. I'll meet you back somewhere dark. Guys, there is a couple things I'd like to tell you before I end the video. One is that every time it senses motion, it will tell you. It will send you a message. This camera is actually a really great camera. I had high hopes and it exceeded them. The audio, the video, and the night vision are all amazing features in this. And when you're not home and you'd like to save the videos, you put the SD card in here. The micro SD chip goes in right there, and it saves the video every time the camera goes off. Guys, if you like this camera as much as I do and would greatly appreciate the home security, click on the link in the description or down below, and I recommend doing this greatly.